What's going on? David from Caribbean Art Prints back with another video, and in this one we're going to be talking about photo mats. So what's a photo mat? A photo mat is a flat piece of material, typically paper or fabric based, that goes around the edge of the picture. When using a photo mat, the artwork is typically positioned in the center with a mat's opening cut to create a window through which the image can be viewed. The mat's outer dimensions are usually larger than the photograph, allowing for the desired border size. Mats are commonly used in framing artwork, photographs, certificates, and other types of visual displays to enhance their presentation and protection. And when it comes to comparing photos that use mats and those that don't use mats, there's a couple things to consider. 1. Aesthetics. Photos with mats tend to have a more polished and professional appearance. The mat creates a visual separation between the photo and the frame, adding an extra layer of sophistication. Non-matte pictures, on the other hand, have a more direct connection between the image and the frame, which can create a bolder and more contemporary look. Focus on the image. Photo mats draw the attention. Okay. Alright, where were we? Photo mats help draw the attention to the artwork itself by providing a neutral border around it. This can be particularly useful if the image has intricate details or if you want to emphasize a specific aspect of the photo. Non-photo mat pictures, the ones without the additional frame, put more emphasis on the entire picture as a cohesive unit. Versatility. They can be customized in terms of color, size, thickness to complement the decor around it. Additionally, mats can also be used to create visual spacing and balance when arranging multiple photos in a gallery wall situation. Non-matte photos may provide more simplicity as well as uniformity, making them perfect for a minimalist or a modern aesthetic. Protection and preservation. Photo mats also serve a practical purpose by providing a buffer between the artwork itself and the glass. This helps prevent the photo from sticking directly to the glass, which over time will reduce the risk of damage to that artwork or photo. Non-matte photos lack this protective element, so extra care should be taken when handling these. Something also to consider is the sizing itself. This frame, for example, is 16 by 20. This mat is cut to 11 by 14. So I really only have an 11 by 14 image inside of this frame, which is also, cheaper to print, of course. If you have a non-matte version, you would have to print a bigger image, a 16 by 20 image, to fill up this particular frame. So cost-wise, you'd have to think about a smaller picture plus the cost of the mat itself, or printing a bigger picture. Just something to consider. So which one should you choose for your artwork? Well, it kind of depends on your situation. What is your personal preference? What style do you want to achieve? And the special characteristics of the image that you want to display. Nonetheless, both have their advantages and can create visually appealing presentations. So it's really a matter of what best suits your needs and the desired aesthetic. But either way, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks.